What's up, y'all? I know strange seeing me, right? It's been forever, what, a year, 2 years since I've been on YouTube uploading any content. Life has lifed. A lot of things have changed. I'm excited to share with y'all. But first and foremost, I bought a new house, which I'm super, super excited about. There are so many projects and just design ideas and things that I want to do in this new home. It's just I can't wait. So excited. So obviously going to take y'all along through the journey, all my projects, and showing y'all what I do and how I do it and everything. This house came with gardens already. This was the home of a gardener, which was one of the reasons that I knew this was the home for me. There are literally gardens all the way around. So super excited. I've already started bulbs probably a month or so ago, just getting ready and prepared for the season. Today is March 9th. So I have a little more time before I really have to start focusing time and energy on the outside for gardening season. But I've been slowly but surely getting prepped and ready to start making my updates and changes on the inside here of the house. I've bought a lot of things, many which are still in boxes because I want to open it with y'all and kind of show y'all what I'm doing as I'm doing it. So with that being said, let me show y'all the kitchen. This is the kitchen, which I love the size of this kitchen. I did get all brand new appliances installed. They're Samsung. I got the Samsung bespoke fridge with the screen on it, which is absolutely ridiculous. Nobody needs this, but oh my gosh, it's amazing. I love it. Love it. This is it. So we're going to do cabinets. We're going to do wall decor. I just got this super giant, gorgeous China cabinet that, yes, I plan to make it fit what I envision in my mind. So for folks who think it's a crime to paint wood, you don't want to tune into this channel, I assure you. So this is the area that I'm going to work on right now. In a very small way. This is my old table. I never intended to bring it, but some things got pushed back, so I couldn't immediately buy the new table that I wanted and couldn't find one. So I went ahead and brought this one. But I'm going to unbox the new table. I've had it for a month now, over a month now, just in the box. I haven't even opened it. So let's pray that it's not damaged or anything, because I don't know the return policy if we're 30 days and you just got to deal with it. But yeah, y'all see, all my plant obsession has like gone crazy, because now I got all of these houseplants, which I was not doing at the time of my last YouTube video. So lots of things have changed. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this table moved out of the way so I can unbox and show y'all the new table.
Even though I don't wanna show emotions, I'm hoping not the type to try and double back twice, but you had me running right back. I be coming back to back, yeah. Way by your neck, yeah. Say you arch your back, yeah. Tell you to stretch what's up. Rushing here real fast just to take it slower. No, I ain't the type of hoes, and boy, you let me know. Baby, all I gotta say, nobody get there way faster. Living that you're here to stay, we'll see how it plays actor. Boy, you say you're done with games and more. We gotta get deeper now. Deeper and deeper now. One day you give it to me so good. Never had a real nigga from the hood, but you gotta understand this wasn't in my plans. You're trying to get deeper now. Feelings is deeper now. Get some lips, know I like to kiss, baby. Taking trips, had to get away, baby. Post some pics, all in our business. Ain't no distraction about that action, but I hope you're not wasting my time. I want to give in, but get to be like. I want to feel good, but you ain't mine sometimes. But it can't go to waste. Any nigga who can take it back. Baby, all I gotta say, nobody get their way faster. Living that you're here to stay, we'll see how it plays actor. Boy, you say you're done with games and more. We gotta get deeper now. Deeper and deeper now. One day you give it to me so good. Guess I never had a real nigga from the hood, but you gotta understand this wasn't in my plans. You're trying to get deeper now. Feelings is deeper now.
here it is all finished. I really do love this table. Super solid, like I was saying. Feels very sturdy. I love the fluted detail around the base. Yeah, my only concern is, like I was saying, or I don't know if I said it, but realizing now that I have this cabinet here, I don't know if this is enough space. If this table feels too big for the space. I only will have 2 chairs on each side, so that will be not an issue. I was thinking maybe I'll have 2 ottomans the same color as the chairs under there, but we'll see. I'm gonna sit with it for a couple days. My chairs come the day after tomorrow, so I'll be able to see it all together and sit with it for a while and see how I feel. I was really bummed at first because it just really does look too big for the space, honestly. Which, if you can see, there is space to walk, and I'm not quite squeezing, but yeah, that's not enough space. And I was dreading having to break it back down, try to send it back, like, or force myself to like it or deal with it. That's not what I want to do in this house. I want everything to be just so. So I was talking to my 13-year-old son about how I think it's too big, and he said, or is there something you can modify? Like, can you sand it down or something? And it got me to thinking. Just because this is a brand new manufactured piece of furniture does not mean I'm not a furniture builder, right? So ideally, of course, I wouldn't have to do anything to a brand new table, but I do feel better about the fact that if push comes to shove, I am completely comfortable with cutting however much I want off the center of each side to make the top shorter. And I can drill my pilot holes and everything to put the screws back in and make sure it's attached and secure. So yeah, again, not ideal. I don't want to have to do that, but I can easily do that, and I feel better about it. So yeah, I love it. I love the color. I was worried that it was going to be white. Like, I definitely didn't want a white table because my countertops, you can't tell now because there's junk everywhere. Everything, all my plants and stuff that I had on the old table, I moved over there. But the countertops are a taupey beige kind of color on the quartz. I don't know if you can really see it. So it's not white. It does have like white highlights, but it's not white. And I think the table matches that perfectly and bounces off of that absolutely perfectly. So overall, extremely happy with it. I'm tired. I'm gonna get something to eat. I got straight off of work and started building the table. Haven't eaten all day. So I'm gonna go eat, shower, and chill out for the rest of the night. I don't know. I feel like either the table needs to be an inch or 2 inches taller, or the chair needs to be an inch or 2 inches shorter on the arms. Anyway, let me sit with it. Come back and talk to y'all in the morning. I am so in love with these freaking chairs. Oh my gosh. Absolute perfection. Color, shape, size, everything. Love them down. Still trying to see how I feel with the chairs with this table in particular. Love the table as well. But you know, still putting things together to really have the vision come to life. I feel like I'm going to love it, but we're not there yet. They don't feel like a set just yet. Got to get this done so it's not this dark giant thing in the corner here as well. I decided if you and I see my last video when I was putting things together, I was talking about the length of the table being too long and trying to determine what I was going to do about it. I decided I am going to go ahead and cut the table length down. So that is going to happen. I'm also going to lift it up a little bit, maybe 2 inches, so these can slide completely under to save me a little space. And as you see, I only have 3 of my chairs. The 4th one is delayed randomly. I don't know why. But it's looking really, really pretty and I'm loving it. Also, of course, these plants are not going to stay here. They're just here for the time being to get sunlight until I get this all done. But anyway, I got a rug. It was supposed to come yesterday, but it came this morning. I'm going to open it up and set it up under the table and see if that changes my feelings about the chairs with this table, creating like a block in this section of the kitchen with the rug. And we also have to see if I like the rug, though. I don't know. It's not bad, but I don't know that it reads gray in the room, which is my issue right now. Again, I do really like how it feels. It's super soft. I can't wait to see these floors, the new floors. I think that's going to make a huge difference too, but this definitely is what this area needs, a area rug. So I don't know, what y'all think?
No, I really can't complain. Everything been straight. I've been on the way.